Supercharge your checkout with the seamless power of Stripe and Klarna, offering your customers flexible payments like never before. Ready to give your customers more ways to pay and boost your sales? Today, we're diving deep into how to integrate Stripe with Klarna. First, ensure you have an active Stripe account. Log into your Stripe dashboard on the left-hand menu. Navigate to the Settings section, then click on Payment Methods. Within the payment methods, you'll see an option to add new payment method or explore products and pricing. Click on this. Now, search for or locate Klarna in the list of available payment methods. Click on Klarna to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to connect your Klarna account. This usually involves entering your Klarna merchant ID and API keys. You can find these credentials within your Klarna merchant portal. Once you've entered the correct information, click Connect or Activate. If successful, you'll see a confirmation that Klarna is now an active payment option. Now, when your customers reach your checkout page, they'll see Klarna as a flexible payment option, allowing them to choose pay later or slice it. This empowers them to buy what they love when they're ready. By offering these popular financing solutions, you're not only enhancing the customer experience, but also unlocking new revenue streams and driving significant sales growth for your business. It's that simple.